Most people walk downstairs, but these 84 steps are walked with a purpose most people don't even understand. They believe each step can break thousands of lifetimes. This is Goindwal Sahib, and what happened here changed Sikh history forever. But before I explain it, you need to understand why this staircase even exists.
Pehle Pangat Das Ji teri upma thore baniya Pehle Pangat Das Ji teri upma thore baniya.
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Let me ask you something. What if a staircase wasn't just a way to go down, but a way to escape the cycle of life itself? That's exactly what you're looking at today. Before this place existed, Sikhism had two central hubs. Then everything changed. Guru Angad Dev Ji gave one mission to his successor. Build a place that brings Sikhs together. And that successor was Guru Amar Das Ji. He didn't just build a town, he built a spiritual system that still exists today. But here's what's crazy. He didn't preach from a throne. He served people like everyone else. This is Gurdwara Sri Goindwal Sahib, where Guru Amar Das Ji would sit and teach. But not everyone liked him. One day, a man walked in angry, Datu, the son of the previous Guru. And what he did next shocked everyone. He kicked the Guru. And what happened after that? The Guru didn't react. He didn't defend himself. He said something unbelievable. Did my bones hurt your foot? That moment alone explains Sikhi better than 1,000 lectures. This is the real reason people travel from across the world. Sri Baoli Sahib. 84 steps. But here's the hidden meaning almost nobody explains properly. In Sikh belief, the soul goes through 8.4 million life forms before becoming human. So these steps represent breaking that entire cycle 100,000 life forms at a time. But there's a catch. It only works if you do one thing. Recite Japji Sahib at every step. So imagine this. You're walking, you're reciting, and with every step, you're letting go of ego, anger, fear. That's not a staircase anymore. That's transformation. Built between 1559 and 1564 by Guru Amar Das Ji, this is not just a stepwell. This is considered the first major pilgrimage site in Sikh history. But this place doesn't just tell one story. It creates the next Guru, Guru Ram Das Ji. Before he became Guru, he was just a young man named Bhai Jetha. And his job? Selling food. But what made him different was what he did with his free time. He didn't chase status. He did seva. He helped build the Baoli. He served Langar. He lived like he had nothing, even though he had everything inside. And this is where it gets interesting. Because the next Guru wasn't chosen by blood, but by behavior. This is Gurdwara Sri Khoo Sahib, where water wasn't just water, it was seva. And connected to this place is one of the most important minds in Sikh history, Bhai Gurdas Ji. He helped write the first version of Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. But more importantly, he gave us the best explanation of Sikhi through his own writings. This place marks where they merged with the light of God. This tradition started in Khadur but was strengthened in Goindwal, Langar, where everyone eats together. No status, no rank, no exception. Even Emperor Akbar had to sit on the floor. And when he did, he was so impressed, he donated land. That land later became known as Amritsar. Goindwal Sahib isn't just history. It's a system. Here's what it created: equality through Langar, service through Seva, discipline through repetition, unity through Sangat. From this very place, Guru Amar Das Ji established principles that shaped Sikh history forever. He introduced the principle of Pehle Pangat, Paache Sangat, meaning first sit together and eat in the Langar, then come for spiritual congregation. From here, Guru Amar Das Ji took bold steps against harmful practices. He ended the practice of sati, which was a widow burning tradition. He stopped parda, which was the forced veiling system. And it was also here where the sacred Bani of Anand Sahib was first revealed, a Bani that speaks about pure spiritual joy. To spread Sikhi across regions, he created 22 manjis, a system of preachers who carried the message of Guru Nanak Dev Ji across India. And he also taught something deeply powerful. When a living being is born or dies, it happens by the will of God. So instead of crying in sorrow, focus on remembering God and living in peace. So instead of fear, live in remembrance. That's why Anand Sahib is read in both joy and sorrow. And all of this was happening right here at Sri Goindwal Sahib. So this wasn't just a place to take a bath. It was a place where Sikh society was rebuilt from the ground up. So now look at these 84 steps again. They're not steps to water. They're steps away from ego. Because the path to liberation doesn't start with rituals. It starts with unity. Unity with others, unity within yourself, and ultimately, unity with God. So now you understand. These 84 steps aren't about walking down. They're about walking inward. And maybe that's the real message here. Because the hardest journey isn't across the world. It's within yourself. And every step you take either brings you closer to ego or closer to freedom. If this story changed how you see Sikhi and Goindwal Sahib, please be sure to subscribe. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you all learned something new. I'll see you all in the next one. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. So ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਰਾਣੇ ਆ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੋਇੰਦਵਾਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ. Let's go. This city was founded by the third Guru, and today we are here at Gurudwara Sri Goindwal Sahib, one of the main centers for Guru Amar Das Ji. थक गई? साह चढ़ गया? अच्छा पौड़ियाँ ज़्यादा साह नहीं चढ़िया, ये भी ठीक है. गुरपुरब तो बाद आगे गुरपुरब तो बाद